train go by our house at 6 o'clock this morning. So I decided to get up and see what it was like as the shift ended. And I followed it down here. And the car was just here to take the crew away. But they've totally shut this train down. Never seen it before where it's totally shut down. You can hear there is no, the engines are off. Never heard that before. It must be going to be here for a while. But everybody said they keep the engines running because of the time it takes them to get back up to speed. What's the story? Why would they shut this down? We're in Worcester, Mass. at Barbers Crossing. Have a great day, everybody.